Ilaw siya ng makalis. Ilaw pa siya pag tumatay dito sa doon. Are you trying to form slowly? Okay na yan. Salita ka.
Tumay ko. Bemay.
Pinapila ko, mayaman. Good afternoon, everyone. We are here in the studio of 2PA News Patrol. All of the Masbate Airport requesting permission for an emergency landing. That was the last contact with your Brevis plane. The plane crashed some 3 kilometers from the airport on Masbate State. Your Brevis Head Executive Assistant Francis Segna interview. Also reported missing her pilot identified as Cap Jessup Bainte, owner of Aviator Flight School, and Natalie's co-pilot Chan. Philippine National Police Chief Nicanor Bartolome said Senior Inspector Jun Abarasado, Roberto's aide survived after the unlocked his seat belt and was thrown off the plane during the crash. He was later rescued by fishermen. That was the latest news today. Again, Wetsalida Kutin M. reporting.
Benjian Stan. Benjian Stan. Lee. How many points?
56.
Tristan, bakit mo siyang tumayo na iba ang aura mo?
Nahimik siya, no? Ganyan ako ganito eh. Yung